the most important thing, which is really important to become a good speaker, is missing here. Everyone is putting lot of efforts in reading, watching movies, watching Netflix series, listening to podcasts, going through different videos on YouTube, and everywhere they are learning lot of things. I think they are just flooded with everything. But then the most important thing that is required to become a good speaker, that is missing somewhere. Hi, this is Nisha, and today I am going to talk about what is that one thing, most important thing that is missing if you want to become a good speaker. Yes, you are right. You have to speak. Unless you will not speak, you are not going to become a good speaker. Please, guys, I am here not to hurt anyone, but I request you. I'm sorry if I'm hurting anyone, but I request you, please come out of your comfort zone and speak up. Speak up, guys. Then only you are going to learn. Over learning, like if you are learning too much and you are not implementing it, it really doesn't make any sense. You are not going to learn anything out of that, because whatever you are reading, whatever you are watching movies or anything, like you won't be able to memorize it for a longer time unless you will not implement, unless you will not take an action. So I have seen many people, they are like doing each and everything, but the only missing thing they are not doing, they are not speaking in English. So first of all, what you need to do, that you need to start speaking with yourself only. That is what you can do. In front of a mirror, you can start talking to yourself about your daily routine, about your office, about your friends, or you had a party with someone, you had gone for a picnic. So everything, like you can just start thinking in English, and that's how you can start speaking in front of others as well. So once you will start speaking with yourself, you are talking to yourself, then eventually and gradually that is going to happen outside as well, and you'll feel like a difference. So basically this is a lesson for you. You start doing this today onwards and just try it for the next 7 days, and you will feel a difference. You will come out of your comfort zone. Yes, I promise that. So guys, what are you waiting for? Start speaking in English. As reading books, watching movies, everything is good, but unless you will not speak, you are not going to be a good speaker. I came across with many people who actually wants to speak in English, but then they are saying, ma'am, we want to speak in English, we want to talk in English, but the person who is at the other end, they do not want to speak. They are speaking in Hindi or whatever their native language. So in that case, I would suggest, let them speak in their native language, and if they are able to understand English, you just try yourself, like you can speak in English. Maybe they are not feeling comfortable in this language as of now. So by listening to you, they can also develop those skills, and one day they will also have, like they can come out of that comfort zone, and they will not have a hesitation. So they can also speak in English. So that's how you are helping others as well. I have a WhatsApp group wherein you can have a conversation with other people. That is going to help you out. I have given the link in my description box. Please join that, and please do like, share and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you very much.